In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the browser hijacker called Speed Dial. We have tested the Speed Dial application and found that this app is a browser hijacker designed to promote a fake search engine called addonsearch.net. So this extension changes a lot of crucial browser settings. We have discovered that Speed Dial is currently spread through a lot of fake browser update alerts and some misleading pop-ups that may attack your Google Chrome browser. So, Speed Dial extension promotes addonsearch.net fake search engine by making it the default search engine, homepage, and even the new tab page. We also notice that it does not generate any results. Instead, addonsearch.net redirects to search.yahoo.com and it shows results generated by Yahoo. We have analyzed many fake search engines and found that they can generate misleading results and show results generated by untrustworthy search engines. So if a fake search engine is tracked in your browser, you should immediately undertake the measures to remove it from browser. So I'm going to install this Speed Dial extension for the demonstration purposes to let you know how to get rid of it. So let us wait until this particular Speed Dial extension is installed, and then you need to implement certain measures to actually get rid of it from your Google Chrome browser. So access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Here we can find this Speed Dial extension. All you need to do is to deactivate it and then remove it. So this is basically the free solution to remove this Speed Dial browser hijacker. However, I also recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and start researching your device with its help in order to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.